Is your QLOCOM range extender acting up, or you are forgotten Wi-Fi password or facing connectivity issue? In this video, I'll show you through how to factory reset your QLOCOM Wi-Fi range extender within a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the reset button. First, take your QLOCOM extender and locate the small reset button on the side of a QLOCOM device. It might a small pinhole button labeled reset, or in some models WPS button work as reset button. Step 2. Perform reset. First, plug in extender to power and wait a few moments until extender fully boot up. Now press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds and watch the status LED. It will flash rapidly or change color to confirm the reset process has started. Once the lights return to a steady, slow blink, the process is complete. The QLOCOM range extender is now restored to factory settings. You can proceed to reconnect it to your network using the WPS or login methods. If this video helped you to fix your extender problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.